In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the duration of your YouTube TV free trial. Knowing the exact length of your trial is important to avoid unexpected charges. Start by logging into your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Once logged in, go to the Settings menu and select Membership. Here you'll find detailed information about your subscription, including the start and end dates of your free trial. This will tell you exactly how many days are left before the trial ends and the paid subscription begins. If you signed up through an external platform like Google Play or Apple App Store, you may need to check the subscription details in their respective settings instead. For example, on an iPhone, go to Settings, Your Name, Subscriptions, and look for YouTube TV. Always double-check the terms and conditions during sign-up to confirm the trial length. If this video helped you check your YouTube TV free trial duration, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.